Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivomove 3S and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. Oh, my bad. Here we have the icon, Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application and your phone to send the notifications to your watch. And to do it, find the Garmin Connect application icon, press and hold on it. You will see the pop-up menu, and on this menu there should be option called App Info. Tap on it, and here tap on Permissions. And here we need to allow a couple of permissions. I recommend to allow SMS, phone, call log, and calendar. Although calendar is not required, you can just leave it denied. Also, if you want to see some notifications about, for example, who's calling you and stuff like that, contacts may be useful too. So allow these permissions. To allow them, simply tap on one, and once you tap on the permission, select allow, and then go back. And the permission will appear on the allowed list right here. And once you have the permissions allowed, you can go back and close this menu. Now open the settings on your phone, and we need to find the notification access, or allow notification access, or on the newer versions of Android it's called device and app notifications. You can tap on search and look for something like a notification access. As you can see, it doesn't detect it on this phone, but it will find apps and notifications, or device and app notifications, as you can see. And once you find it, you can tap on it and it will redirect you to it. Tap on it, and once you enter the device and app notifications or special or notification access menu, you will see basically two lists of apps, allowed and not allowed. What we need to do is to find the Garmin Connect app, tap on it, and tap on the switch next to allow notification access, then tap on allow. And once you allow the notification access for the app, you can close the settings, and now we can open the Garmin Connect application on our phone. In the app you will see the home page. Now tap on more and scroll down, find the Garmin devices, and here you should see Vivomove 3S on the list of devices. Tap on it. Now scroll down and find the option called alerts. Once you find it, tap on it, and here tap on smart notifications. And as you can see, we have during activity and not during activity. This is basically, during activity is when you're recording some kind of activity on your watch, like running, cycling and stuff like that. Not during activity is when you're using your watch and you're not recording anything. So basically anything else than recording activity. And we can enable and disable the notifications during those watch states. We have the button here, and we can disable the notifications or enable them. And if you enable them, you can tap on show and select which types of notifications should be displayed. And we have all notifications, calls only, and calls and texts. So basically, if you select all, you will see the calls, texts, and applications. If you select calls only, you will see only calls. And if you select calls and text, you will see the calls and text, but applications won't be there. So select the options you like. And once you're done customizing your options, go back to the device page for your Vivomove 3S and sync your watch with your phone. And once it's done syncing, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got it on our phone and also on our watch. So it is working, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.